Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change Raid Shadow Legends username. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your Raid Shadow Legends account's username, then first, launch open Raid Shadow Legend on your mobile device. Once you are inside this page, tap on your profile avatar or the icon at the top left hand corner. Now, tap on your player info button right under your player and tap on change username inside the pop-up. Enter your preferred username in the text box and after you are done, tap confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your username on Raid Shadow Legends. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.